4 quick exercises to get rid of underarm flab and back bulge in 3 weeks. We all know that there are some parts of our body that just make the wearing of some clothes very uncomfortable and embarrassing. Undoubtedly, the underarm flab and back bulge are 2 of those annoying fat parts of our body. It is really hard to burn the fat in these areas. Even though many people have tried dieting and different exercises, they do not get the desired results. So, today, we have 4 effective exercises that will help you to get rid of this annoying fat. You can perform them at your home, with the help of a band, hand weights, rubber banding, tubing, or only by moving your hands. If you do them every day, in 3 weeks you will be able to get rid of underarm flab and back bulge. 1. Push and touch. Lift your stretched arms overhead from the sides of your body. If you have a band or hand weights, you can also use them. While being in this position, you should lift your arms to shoulder height simultaneously, then over your head. Then, return the arms in the beginning position. Do 3 sets with 6 repetitions each. 2. Bent over circular row. With your legs apart at the width of your shoulder, you should bend forward at 90 degrees and move the dumbbell towards the opposite hand. Using each hand at a time, lift it up, then you should move it towards the chest and the back to the extended position by making a circular motion. Do 3 sets with 10 repetitions. 3. Crisscross reverse fly. Bend forward to 90% at the waist. Make sure your legs are apart at the width of your shoulders and slightly bent at the knees for stability. Hold a dumbbell or hand weight on each hand bent at the elbow, and make sure your palms face towards each other. Then, raise your hand lower than shoulders height. Do 3 sets with 10 repetitions. 4. Elbow kiss. Spread out your arms on both sides at shoulders height, with palms facing up. Fold each arm at the elbow in order to make a 90 degrees angle upwards. While folded, you should swing the hands to the front so that they close in at the elbow with your forearms touching at the sides. Then, you should return the arms to the beginning position. Do 3 sets with 10 repetitions. Well, you should know that these exercises will not make the accumulation of adipose tissue simply melt away. In order to get the best results, you will need discipline, commitment, and consistency. Do these exercises every day, and schedule an appropriate time. With the required commitment and discipline, you will need 3 weeks to effectively get rid of that underarm flab and back bulge fat.